Thanks to research by Agriculture and Agri Canada, the Canadian food industry could soon use a new disinfectant to improve food safety: electrolyzed water. To create electrolyzed water, a special reactor is filled with salt and water. An electric current causes these chemicals to react at the electrodes. This is electrolysis. As the pH level of the solution on one side of the reactor moves from 7 to 2.8, becoming more acidic, disinfecting molecules of hypochlorous acid, chlorine ions, and hydrogen ions form. With these new properties, the water kills or inhibits the growth of a vast range of microorganisms on contact, including germs that lead to food poisoning and even the viruses that cause HIV and hepatitis. Electrolyzed water also eliminates pesticide residues and mycotoxins and reduces germination rate of certain fungal spores. Electrolyzed water also has no adverse impact on the environment. Because it leaves no toxic residue, it can be used to wash fresh foods without affecting taste and quality. Last but not least, this disinfectant is very economical because it must be produced on-site, on demand. This eliminates the costs associated with bottling and transporting. Electrolyzed water could improve the safety and extend the shelf life of fresh pre-cut fruits and vegetables, providing processors with significant savings while helping the food processing industry become more ecological. Simple, isn't it?